What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, and today's episode is going to be on day trading cryptocurrency. So, really quick, let's take a look at the market. Give it a quick refresh. So today's market cap's at 201 billion. Bitcoin dominated 60.8. Bitcoin dominating again. So previous experience I've had with day trading cryptocurrencies, I've had bad experiences. I've had good experiences. But what I've learned in the long run is you need volatility. So you need a lot of volume. So here we are on the website cryptocurrency market. Shows you market cap, price, volume, circulating supply, and the daily change. So first things first, let's look at the top 5 biggest volume. We're gonna click over to volume, and now this really depends on whether you're trading with dollar or with um, Bitcoin. So we're gonna keep it on dollar because that's usually what I trade is Bitcoin to dollar. So as you see, we clicked on the highest volume. Bitcoin coming in at number one. Ethereum coming in at 544. Litecoin 439. Bitcoin Cash 385. Tether 261. That's a tricky one. Tether is tied to the dollar. I wouldn't day trade Tether. Um, Ethereum Classic, Quantum, Ripple, and Dash. So the big ones that catch my attention are Bitcoin, obviously. Ethereum, not so much. Kind of stuck in consolidation at the moment. I am expecting a big breakout out of that, however. Um, Litecoin, we had a video on that previously. I'll attach a link in the description or in the video somewhere later. But that played out very nicely for us. Bitcoin Cash 385, pretty high. Tether, we said we weren't going to do. Ethereum Classic doesn't have my interest, neither does Quantum, neither does Ripple. The one that does have my attention, however, is Dash and Monero. They do have a little bit lower volume. However, they have a low volume, but they also have a low circulating supply, so it kind of makes sense and it ties hand in hand. But really quick here, so the three that we're going to look at are Dash, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. So first, let's start with Dash. Dash to dollar. So let's get rid of all these indicators and let's see what kind of volume we have. So this is Dash dollar on the daily. Seems like volume's pretty consistent. Every now and then you get a big push. Consistent push. Consistent push. Looks like we got some decent volume on Dash. I haven't made a technical analysis video on Dash, however. It'll most likely be my next one. It's looking like a nice buy. So volume here looks low but consistent. Every now and then you get something, a nice little push. Let's switch over to our numbers. Our second coin was Litecoin. Litecoin of the dollar. Let's look at the volume. Volume is low on Litecoin. Litecoin's a very slow trading coin. I don't recommend trading Litecoin. I never really did. Litecoin's kind of like a set and forget type of investment. Volatility is low. Every now and then you get some pushes up. Low push. Low push. We did have an analysis and a video on this earlier. I believe it was yesterday, maybe the day before. If you took the buy signal I gave out, or if you bought anywhere near after watching my video, you would be up 10%. I believe when I was publishing or recording the video, we were hanging out in this area right here, hanging out in this little zone. I believe my entry was 57, yeah, 57 somewhere due to the fees, and I was using Coinbase when I bought it, but came down and left a nice bottom, and we broke straight to the upside. So what I'm expecting now from Litecoin is actually for it to come back down to test for support, maybe around the 58 zone, and then I'm expecting Litecoin to continue its uptrend, setting another low, possibly around here, continue back up. However, I do not recommend trading Litecoin. Very low volume, doesn't move much, very slow pace. So our last coin was Bitcoin with a very, very incredible high volume compared to the other coins, but Bitcoin is Bitcoin, so let's switch over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dollar, let's do the Bitcoin Coinbase. So this is where we're at. Actually, let's zoom out. Let's go to the daily. Go previous analysis. Let's get rid of that. Don't need it. So as you could see, well, we're just interested in the volume at the moment. So let's look at the volume. Not regarding price, just looking at volume. Look at this. This is just ridiculous. Consistent and high pushes, consistent pushes, consistent pushes. Volume tends to stay pretty high and consistent. Every now and then you get some really big pushes. Without looking at price, this is where all the volatility is at. This is where the volume's at. So if you're gonna be day trading cryptocurrencies, I recommend day trading Bitcoin. The other altcoins are kind of more of a set and forget types of investments. So let's see if we can actually take a trade here on FX choice. I trade the foreign exchange on the side as well as cryptocurrencies. Let's see if we can find anything good here. Currently looking at the 15-minute chart, we see a nice double bottom, rejection here. Looks like we got a nice little range. Oops. Came down, came down. So this is the 14, 50, and 200 moving average. Let's switch over to the 30-minute, see if we can get a better look. So my long-term analysis on this is actually, I'm expecting it to come down up until the hard fork. And then on the day of the hard fork, I'm either expecting an even bigger correction towards the downside, or it'll start making its second leg up. However, I do believe we will come back down here to the 6,000 and find support. But for the moment, let's see. Give me a 4 hours shows us we have resistance here at 7,447. Give or take a few pips. Let's switch over to the 15, 5-minute. I think I might be taking a sell here. So I'm going to go and sell. Let's see. We're going to sell here. Stop loss is going to be, we have to include the spread. So that's not what I want to do. Oh. Doesn't show us our spread, but I believe it's about 90 pips, so that's alright. So we're gonna move this, adjust our stop loss to above here, switch over to the 5-minute, take profit. I believe we're gonna come back down to test this, and then continue again to the upside, so take profit here. So our stop loss is 642 pips. Take profit is 1,317. So about 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. I'm not gonna record this whole trade, but I will. What I will do is I will give an update on the next video I do post, which I'm still not 100% sure what I'm gonna be doing it on. I'm probably gonna be giving a technical analysis on Dash. But don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'm always, um, I'll make whatever kind of video you guys are willing to watch, whether it's on Sol, EOS, Neo, Stellar Lumens, BitConnect, passive income, Forex. Let me know, guys. But as always, thanks for watching. Kid Martin 95. Take it easy, guys.